Welcome back, my friends. Today we're gonna adjust the kids' pants. My daughter is so tiny that always when I buy clothes, her waist is huge sometimes and I need to adjust this. And I wanna show to all moms the easiest way how much you can adjust the waist. All what you need to do is just pinch it and see how much you need to take in total. For example, in my case, it was 1 inch total. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure 2 1/4 from the seam in the back side and I'll put the pin. There is gonna be a dart and on our side same amount. Next, I'm just gonna fold it and measure 1/2 inch. So that 1 inch I split it in half and that's gonna be our dart. The length of the dart is going to be 3 1/4 approximately. And now we're ready to sew. Now when we are ready to sew and make a stitch, you also can use the guide from your sewing machine, a 1/2 inch. Make sure to do the back stitch, and I always do also back stitch at the end of the dart just in case. Next step, after we sew the dart, we're gonna fold it away from the center seam and then just do a little stitch. We wanna make sure it's flat and nice. Same way, we're gonna do it on our side. And the last steps is just to press the darts. And all set. These darts can be letted out back in case if your child is growing and you wanted to let it out a little bit and then you can let it out. If, for example, the length of the pants is too short, you always can upcycle them into shorts and wear it again. So if you want to see also tutorials like this and also how to make from pants to shorts, you can find free tutorials on my channel. Subscribe for more.